doing some work. Got me up. Good morning. Ready for our day? Home Depot. Just pulled up.
This is where I work part-time.
This is where Mia works.
My favorite
And then we are out of here. Crazy. My screwdriver isn't quite powerful enough, so each screw is a little bit questionable, so I'm gonna keep it on. Oh, gotta get a screw driver that has enough power, so whatever, got it. There, I can taste it. Just finished kind of making some reinforcement over the top for the desk portion. Are looking good, so getting close. Well, I'm finished. All I have to do is put this desk on top. Show you what it looks like later. I'm done, but I'm not going to show it to you yet. Mia and I are going to run out and grab dinner and then grab something from Walmart that I need, and then I'm going to show it to you. Pretty sick. Yeah. Do we need to be thinking about what we want? A Tuesday night without a trip to Walmart. What are we gonna get? Should we show them what we're getting?
Yeah.
Well, you want to tell them? We got locked out. We're gonna go take Indy for a walk. We finally were done for the day. We locked ourselves out of our apartment. So someone's coming with the spare key. We made it back in. So I think next we're gonna show you the new setup. It's done. It is finished. And there we have it. 2 days and a lot of fun.
Face down.
Yes. But for now, we're done.